Are you trying to upload or access a file in ChatGPT and keep getting an access denied error? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the exact steps to fix the file stream access denied problem in ChatGPT. So, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser. In the search bar, type ChatGPT and tap on it. Now click on the official ChatGPT website and log in with your OpenAI account. Next, select the PDF file you want to open in ChatGPT. Tap on Download and wait for the file to finish downloading. Once it's downloaded, you might see a button that says Download Again. Just tap on it. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and share this video.